Huawei Mate 30 Pro, one of the most anticipated smartphone of 2019 because it's totally different from any other smartphone in the market right now. So we can't wait for this smartphone. The new leak of Huawei Mate 30 Pro surprises, and this could be one of the first smartphone come with a different camera setup. If we talk about the front designs, come with a 90-degree curved display. That's one of the first smartphone come with that kind of display, and also there's a small notch on the top of the display, and that's really cool. So this is also confirmed by a real life images of Mate 30 Pro. Okay, let's talk about the Huawei Mate 30 Pro camera department. So first of all, we are hearing from a well-known digital blogger on Weibo that the Mate 30 Pro will indeed not have a periscope zoom camera that was introduced in P30 Pro earlier this year. He said the Mate 30 Pro will have a bigger camera sensor and there's not much space left to include a periscope zoom camera. Well, Huawei will introduce a bigger sensor of 1:1.5, which is significantly bigger than any other smartphone right now. You see the bigger sensor, better quality of image both in daylight and night. So yeah, this is actually true that Huawei Mate 30 Pro should have a camera that will take amazing photos. While in other way, the Huawei Mate 30 Pro come with two main sensor with 40 megapixel and 40 megapixel sensor, and there is a 8 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor and one is ToF sensor. So these are Sony 600 series sensor, and Huawei is working with Sony to introduce its 600 series sensor in their flagship smartphone. So yeah, Huawei Mate 30 Pro with an even more impressive piece of camera hardware that so far nobody has seen, such as recent cinema lens, matrix lens. So for the moment we just wait and see. So Huawei will introduce its Kirin 985, a second generation 7nm processor in their Mate 30 series. That's really impressive. So Huawei Mate 30 Pro come with Android 10Q out of box with EMUI 10 interface with 4200 mAh battery, which may be support 55 watt for charging, and there is also a 5G variant also. So that's all guys. If you like this video, press the like button. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I will catch you next video. Till then, goodbye.